Making a clear case may seem easy, but it's actually a pretty complex process. Many case manufacturers struggle to make a clear case that doesn't yellow over time. In today's video, we'll be comparing the Magsafe compatible Apple Clear Case to that of Casetify's Clear Case. My name is RJ, and on this channel, we cover everything Apple and tech related. So if you guys want to stick around and watch more content just like this, then make sure you do subscribe to the channel, and of course leave a like on this video while you're at it. After watching this video, if you are interested in picking up a Casetify Clear Case for your iPhone 14 Pro Max or your iPhone 14 Pro, then head on over to casetify.com/rjtech or use the link in the description below for a 15% discount. Casetify's Clear Case is equipped with proprietary shock absorption technology and UV Defender technology for all-around protection. It's made of medical-grade polycarbonate material and has a UV Defender to prevent yellowing. The slim, sleek design prevents dust buildup and has a non-slip coating for an ergonomic grip. It's Magsafe compatible and has 2x military-grade protection, withstanding up to 52 drops. In contrast, Apple's Clear Case is made of a polycarbonate material and flexible TPU with a scratch-resistant coating. It fits easily over the buttons and has built-in magnets for seamless attachment and fast wireless charging. Apple's Clear Case is also designed to protect your iPhone from scratches and drops. Both cases offer protection and style, but which one is the best? Stay tuned to find out. Here with me, I have three Casetify Impact Clear Cases for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Casetify's goal is to make a long-lasting clear case that keeps your phone looking good as new throughout the years. If you are familiar with Casetify, then you probably know that their mission has always been to provide us, the consumers, with a case that is protective without compromising style and sleekness. We'll start off by taking a look at Casetify's Clear Cases, and then we'll compare it alongside Apple's Clear Case. Casetify's Clear Cases provide all-around protection while maintaining a pristine level of clarity that is perfect for everyday use. As mentioned earlier, Casetify uses medical-grade polycarbonate materials along with a UV Defender for anti-yellowing purposes. One of the biggest complaints with clear cases that many consumers face is that clear cases do yellow over time. But with Casetify, you can rest assured there is no such thing as a yellow clear case. The medical-grade polycarbonate material allows for crystal clear clarity, all while drastically slowing down the plastic from aging, meaning that these cases will continue to look good for many years, which is always great to hear for us, the consumers. What I've always loved about Casetify cases is their attention to precision design. All of their cases are always slim and sleek with a seamless design that wraps around the phone. This design prevents dust from building up within the case. Casetify cases always strive to provide us with an ergonomic grip, and they do this by adding a non-slip coating, which in the hands feels very secure. A phone as big and bulky as the iPhone 14 Pro Max is prone to slipping out of your hands, so a case with a non-slip coating is a must-have in my opinion. The buttons on the Casetify Clear Cases have a tactile feel to them that are very easy to press down on. Not to mention, all of these Clear Cases are Magsafe compatible for easy and accessible charging with all your Magsafe products. So an Apple Wallet, a Magsafe wireless charger works perfectly with these cases. The magnetic strength between both the case and the Magsafe accessory is strong. No concerns whatsoever on the attachment falling off. Now, what in particular makes Casetify cases stand out from other clear cases that I've tested in the past is the quality protection. Casetify Clear Cases are 2x military grade certified, which means they're able to withstand up to 52 drops. You can get up to 6.6 feet of drop protection, which is 6 inches higher than my height. Of course, with Casetify cases, you get raised edges and raised camera ring protection, which only further helps prevent cracks and scratches to the display and the camera module. Unlike other case companies, Casetify stands out because they do have tons of options for customization. If you hop on over to Casetify's website, there is a ton of design, prints, and artist collaborations to choose from. Casetify genuinely believes in the power of self-expression. That's why they've partnered up with a diverse group of different communities to curate prints that signify representation. A priority for Casetify has always been to be an eco-friendly company. Casetify Clear Cases are made of 65% recycled and plant-based materials and are shipped to you in 100% recycled packaging. Now let's compare Casetify's Clear Case alongside its main competitor, the official Apple Clear Case. Apple's official iPhone 14 Pro Max case is designed to be thin, light, and easy to grip, while also showcasing your phone's colorful finish. It's made of a blend of clear polycarbonate and flexible materials with a scratch-resistant coating on the interior and the exterior to prevent yellowing over time. The case fits easily over the buttons and has built-in magnets for seamless attachment and wireless charging, with the Magsafe charger or any certified charger. Now, in comparison, this case isn't as protective as the Casetify case, and it hasn't undergone any extensive drop testing to ensure your iPhone stays protected from drops. Keep in mind that the Casetify Clear Case does provide you with 6.6 feet of drop protection and is is 2x military grade certified, so this thing is an absolute beast for a clear case. The Apple Clear Case, in my experience, picks up a ton of fingerprints. The bottom of the case for some reason is also left exposed. I'm not sure why Apple decided to do this, but this does leave the speaker, the mic, and the charging port exposed to the elements. I personally do prefer complete coverage on all of my cases, and in comparison, Casetify's Clear Case does feature precise cutouts on the bottom of the case. At the end of the day, both the Magsafe compatible Apple Clear Case and Casetify's Clear Cases offer protection and style for your iPhone 14 Pro Max. The Apple Clear Case is made of a polycarbonate and flexible TPU with scratch-resistant coating and built-in magnets for seamless attachment and wireless charging. It's also designed to protect your phone from scratches and very minor drops. On the other hand, Casetify's Clear Cases are equipped with proprietary shock absorption technology, UV Defender technology, and medical-grade polycarbonate material to prevent yellowing and provide an all-around protection. It also has a slim, sleek design with a non-slip coating for an ergonomic grip and is Magsafe compatible with 2x military-grade protection. Not to mention, Casetify's Clear Cases are actually more affordable and they are customizable. They sent over a custom Clear Case with my name on it, RJ, printed along the bottom. Of course, you can obviously customize your own Clear Case with whatever name or monogram you want. If you want a custom Clear Case for your iPhone 14 Pro Max, then once again head on over to casetify.com/rjtech or use the link in the description below for a 15% discount upon checkout. As always, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to flex with your Casetify customized Clear Tech.